Hi there, I'm Joe Terso, CEO of the Hive Point Group, and welcome to the Hive AI Store. This is where we're going to show you how to purchase subscriptions, extra tokens, and AI solutions that'll plug right into your environment. This is where we start all AI magical goodness, and you go to the URL store.gohive.ai, and it'll take you to this page. Now, in order to purchase anything, you have to create an account. So if you're not signed in, when you get to the sign in page, right? You'll see you can sign in with Microsoft SSO or Google. Simply hit the sign up and sign up with Microsoft or Google. If you have the SSO, that way when you set up, when you purchase your platform, your account will be set up for SSO, so you don't need username and passwords, and that's just the way to go. So I will go ahead and sign in. Yep, that's me. And what I wanted to show you is the next thing you have to do before you can make a purchase is sign in and make a profile. The reason why we want to do this is because this information will also feed the Hive AI platform to set up your account correctly. So as you can see, there's some required information. If you are a business, you do not have to fill out the residential address. As you can see, it says only for B2C subscriptions, and that's going to be in the consumer side. But for businesses, you'll want to complete this information and then your billing address. So it could be same as business. And if you have an accounting email you need to save this to for invoices to go to, please do. Now, whoever sets up this account becomes the owner of the subscription. That is the only person that will be able to configure users and groups, make purchases, and so forth. So make sure whoever's doing this is an authorized purchaser for the company. Save your profile, then you're going to go back to here. So what we're going to do is go through business editions. And we have just 4 plans. $1 million tokens, which is great for 20 people that will be using it and under. Like I say, 20 users. Not all users may be on the Hive if you don't want them to be, or you can have all users on the Hive and plan accordingly. The plus means that it gives you a dedicated instance. So the regular mini Hive is a multi-tenant, and the plus is a dedicated instance for your contacts. Mega Hive is obviously plus 21 to about 75, right? It's about 2 million tokens, and the same thing applies. The plus means private instance. At this time, we are not doing on-prem. This is the pre-release versions. So once we go live at the end of January, we'll be able to say, here's an on-prem instance that you can keep all of your contacts in-house on your own server or VM, and then still connect to all of your apps, all your data, and have the multi-model AI routing. So here we're going to go ahead and just pick a mini Hive because I'm cool like that, and go back home. So we have what's called the Hive Universal Token, and you can read it here about what it is and why we do it. But it is because with 30 to 35 current AI models from different providers, everything you do, whether it be OCR, whether it be exports, whether it just be chat, whether it be autonomous workflows, has a different cost structure, whatever, depending on the model you're going to. So we have a singular token that then gives you access to all these models and will calculate the conversion for you. So why do we have add-ons, right? So for one, say you have 1 million, we'll give you overdraft protection. It's not much, but it tells you like, hey, If I run out, I do not want my system to shut down. Let me add this as overdraft protection. As you can see, it's pretty low cost, and it gives you time to, um, um, slow people down, limit the usage, or purchase more tokens just for that month without being charged extra. Going over your plan has a admin fee that will charge you more per token. Um, Going back, if we talk about project buckets, say you're going to do a lot of video for marketing or you're going to do some big project, well, you can add these, and it's like the block time, right? But the hours don't expire. So you drop this bucket in and you say, okay, marketing is going to be doing a big thing. They're going to use these tokens. And if they don't use them, you can continue to have them, and it will eat these tokens first before going into your main plan. So these are just quick add-ons, and you can assign quotas to groups and let them go at it. Additionally, say you're right in between. You use more than a million, but less than 2 million. So what you want to do is just an add-on plan. Hey, I want to add on, half a million tokens for $30, and that way I have 1.5 million every month. So this is just a bolt-on to your subscription. Go back home, and right now, again, this is the MVP. So we're just starting up. You say I want some connectors. So right now, all the connectors are free. They're in different categories, and again, more categories are coming. But since we'll just start off with OneDrive, add, and then Microsoft 365. This way I can work with my OneDrive and my email, create workflows between them or whatever. And know what? I also have ConnectWise. So let me connect ConnectWise. So I have my connectors, I have my apps, and I'm ready to check out. So let's go up to the shopping cart and click on checkout. Okay, so we're ready to go check out. We're going to click proceed to checkout. Now we use Stripe, so when you go, you'll hit Stripe. You'll have to log in and process your payment. If you have a coupon code, you would enter it here, and then it'll start the subscription. When you're done, it'll take you back to the store, right, where you can do two things. You can go look at your purchases and say, I have this subscription, I have these apps, right? And if you had any other products, they would be here. Not all products are apps. Some of them are AI solutions. So as you can see, work with third-party developers using our Hive Foundry. You can develop and deploy third-party apps and be able to, post them here and sell them to companies, not just to people who use the Hive AI, but also to people who just run by themselves. So this is it. It takes about an hour to sync over. You will get a welcome email, but welcome to the Hive.